the EU is providing support for the repair and reconstruction of 150 homes on Barbuda to benefit hundreds of Barbudans.
What I have seen today is very encouraging, and I think we are going to be on track in delivering the promises that we have made under this project.
It's almost 2 years since I'm living in a tent, and I'm very, very excited that I was selected, and I can't wait to be back in a home.
I am so overwhelmed. I'm so glad for this funding. I'm so overwhelmed that I don't even know what to tell you.
Thank you to the EU. I know it means a lot to us that we're getting back our house, and I'm grateful for it.